Today my preferred vendor partner is Francia's Jewelry, and I'm here at Francia's Jewelry right now, you guys. And Frank and Goudet, his other half, do phenomenal work here. I'm talking about the jewelry design, the watch repair, the diamond set, the jewelry repair. It's all right here, you guys. You don't want to miss this opportunity to take advantage of someone that's really truly honest with great pricing, and that will just make it happen for you. All right, let me see if I can get in here. Okay. All right. Good day, you guys. All right. Listen, I want to thank the both of you for taking care of me today. And I just thought, I would come in here and show the people your shop, and that you guys do some beautiful work. You guys, this is Frank right here, and there's his other half, Goudet, over there. And Frank, what do you have to say to the people?
Well,
why would they want to come to Francia's Jewelry?
when they come here, I try to make the good service for everybody, and the very good price also. All the time.
All the time.
Yeah.
And you guys are open like every day, or?
Every day we open the weekend night, Monday through Friday, 9 to 7, and the weekend 10 to 5. For the moment, 7 days open the business.
All right, fantastic, Frank. But listen, you guys, you got it right there. So if you need jewelry design, watch repair, diamond set, or you need a special order on something, come see Frank and Goudet down here.
All right.
Don't miss an opportunity for some fantastic service. Thanks, Frank.
You're welcome, and thank you for coming.
You're welcome.